How to log in DoorDash account. Open the DoorDash application, or you can open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search bar. Type in www.doordash.com. Search for it. You'll be led to the official website of DoorDash. Tap on the option Login that you can see on the screen. You can log in to your account now. You can see various login methods. Now you can log in to your account. You can see various login methods like Google, Facebook, Apple phone number, or you can also use the email. Tap on the sign in method of your choice. I'm going to tap on this option Continue with Google. Choose an account to continue. Tap on the account that you used to create the account for yourself. Now you'll easily be logged in to your DoorDash account. Like this, you can log in DoorDash account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.